What rises after death, soul or spirit? When somebody leaves this world, the soul and the spirit live together. They are together. The soul and the spirit live together. The body goes back to earth. The body was taken from earth, it goes back to earth. But what never dies is the soul and the spirit. Now, when the Lord Jesus gave the parable of the rich man and Lazarus the poor in Luke chapter 16, that rich man found himself in Hades. Hades meaning totally separated from God. He was going to end up in hell. And separation from God meaning the actual death, the eternal death. But the one who ended up in the bosoms of our father Abraham, Lazarus the poor, we could see the one in Hades. You see, this parable tells us all there is no death in the way we think of death, that everything comes to an end. They don't see you, they don't hear you, they don't know you anymore. Well, the parable of the rich man and the poor Lazarus, the Lord himself said it, tells us totally opposite to what some people think or believe. Death is only a separation from God, but it is not, I just come to a full halt. I don't see. Because this man was in Hades, separated from God. Was he dead? No. He was begging our father Abraham. He recognized Abraham. He recognized Lazarus the poor. And he remembered he had 5 brothers still on earth. He said, please send Lazarus back to my brothers on earth to tell them not to come where I am. Go and tell them, don't do things that are wrong in the sight of God, lest you end up where your brother is in Hades, burning, being tormented. How did he remember he had 5 brothers? How did he recognize Lazarus the poor? The soul was with the spirit. Very briefly, the spirit has no memory. The memory lies in the soul, not in the spirit. The moment the spirit leaves the body, does not know anything. So what remembers is the soul. The soul is made out of 5 components. For those who are writing, 5 components. Number 1, the subconscious mind. Number 2, the conscious mind. Number 3, the will. Number 4, the feelings and the emotions. Number 5, the thought. I'll say it again. Subconscious, conscience, will, feelings and emotions, thought. These are the components of the soul. So, subconscious is your hard drive where you store all of your memory. This is why this man was in Hades being tormented, yet still remembering he has 5 brothers. He recognized Lazarus, whom he used to see every day, thrown at the front door of his house. Because the soul was with the spirit, the memory was with the soul. That's why he remembers. Until the second coming, even those who go to paradise, my mom, my earthly mother, I believe and I know she is in paradise. I know this, damn sealed. That's why I don't cry for her. It's just I miss her. There is a difference. But I can never, ever, till this moment, there is no way in the world I'll say my mom is dead. Impossible. How can I say to someone who is living and so mightily dead? So my earthly mother is in paradise. By the grace of the Lord, this piece of wreck, the Lord has mercy on him, and one day he takes him by his grace to paradise. When I go there and I see my mom, I'll recognize my mom. Now, before the second coming, I will recognize her. However, the feelings are not the same as if they were on earth. It's a different feeling. I'll recognize her, but it's not one of those, oh, I've missed you, you start crying, and no, 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 no. Why? Because you are in the presence of the one and only, the sweetheart, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. When you are in His holy presence, there is nothing but love. It is all love. And where there is love, it is nothing but joy and happiness. So, but I will recognize, oh, that's my mom. Oh, that's my dad. Yeah? So, we remember because of the soul. So, my beloved, the soul and the spirit, they never die, and they go together. The body only goes back to earth because it was taken, God took it from the dust, from the earth.